والمراد بكذب الراوي أنه ثبت كذبه في الحديث النبوي صلى الله تعالى عليه وسلم. And the meaning of lying of a reporter means reporter is liar means he has made he has fixed his word into the hadith of Prophet or fully or partially means full sentence of a reporter is made by himself or he has added some his words into the words of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam imma بإقرار الواضع أو بغير ذلك من القرائن وحديث المطعون بالكذب يسمى موضوعا. So we could find a liar of lying of a reporter because of extreme self confession. If a reporter confess himself or through another aspects, so that time hadith of self created hadith. Okay, hadithul mat'un bil kadhib the hadith that is blamed, that is accused of victim of lying means the hadith in which a reporter has made a lie, so such hadith will be called mawdu'. Okay, ومن ثبت عمده تعمد الكذب في الحديث. Okay, and from whom it is proved that he made hadith by himself. Okay, وإن كان وقوع في العمر مرة وإن تاب من ذلك لم يقبل حديثه أبدا. And whether he has made only once in his life and he has made tawbah, but after that bad deed his hadith will be not acceptable any time. Whether he reports hadith from a greater scholar, but he had made a mistake, we had made lying into the hadith of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, therefore his hadith will not be accepted anymore in the any time in the life. Okay, بخلاف شاهد الزور, against the witness of lying witness. Okay, liar witness. Okay, means if any liar witness a person witnessed fraudly, okay, wrongly, but he made tawbah, so after that tawbah his witness will be acceptance. Okay, his witness will be accepted. But when a reporter had said lie, okay, into the hadith, then he made tawbah. After his tawbah, even after his tawbah, his hadith will not be acceptable. Okay, mansilayo. بخلاف شاهد الزور إذا تابا فالمراد بالحديث الموضوع في اصطلاح المحدثين هذا. Okay, لا أنه ثبت كذبه وعلم ذلك في هذا الحديث بخصوصه. Okay, so this is the murad, this is the meaning of mawdu hadith in the terms of muhaddithin. This is the meaning of mawdu hadith through the terms of muhaddithin. Okay, in the terms of muhaddithin. Note that his his lying is proved and known that only a specific hadith. Okay, suppose a reporter has made a lying into a single hadith and he has reported 1000 hadith. So according to this single hadith, his whole 1000 hadith will be called mawdu'. Okay, note that if he had made only in single hadith, so this single hadith is mawdu' and other hadiths that is those are reported by this reporter is sahih. Note. Okay, Zaid is a reporter. He is a suppose he is a liar. He was a maker of hadith. So because and he had made only one hadith. Means he had made a hadith from himself, and saying he is hadith of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So because of doing such a wrong deed into the hadith, so because of this matter, he is a hadith of Zayd, okay, any hadith of, whether he has made only in single hadith and he has reported 1 lakh hadith, so all 1 lakh hadith will be called mawzu, okay, referring to Zayd, because Zayd is wadi. Wadul hadith is a hadith maker. Okay, so referring to Zayd, all his reported hadith will be called mawdu. Okay, you should know it. والمسألة ظنية. Okay, والحكم بالوضع والافتراء بحكم الظن الغالب. And this is the matter of Lanni. Lanni means we had to mind it, we had to consider. Okay, we have not any proof. Okay, there is no any proof, but this is dependable. It depends on the consideration. والحكم بالوضع والافتراء بحكم الظن الغالب. And the order of wala and iftira means the reporter has made a hadith himself. This order, this matter is given on the open thought. Through the open thought means we are getting in our mind more and more times that this person has made hadith by himself. Okay, if a single matter runs in our mind many times, so minding and considering that rotation of single matter into mind, we say that because of Dhanil Ghalib, the person is a wadi'ul hadith maker. Okay, walaysa ilal qat'i. Okay, and there is no any proof to be stronger. Okay, qat'a means strong. So there is no any proof to say that hadith is mawdu. Okay, there is no any stronger proof to be a hadith mawdu or to be a reporter wadi'. Wal yaqinu bidhalika sabilun. Okay, وليس إلى القطع واليقين بذلك سبيل, and there is no any way to be stronger and to be believable on that hadith. Final kuduba qad yasduku. Okay, and sometimes many liars speak true. Wahada yandafi maqila, and this will defend whatever is said في معرفة الوضع بإقرار الواضع. Okay, and this will erase and this will finish whatever is said that the knowing of wala will be known by self-confession. If a wali self-confessed that I have made it, so this self-confession will erase all doubts and all matters, all problems. أنه يجوز أن يكون كاذبا في هذا الإقرار, because if any person who confess himself that I have made this hadith, so it means my reported hadith was made by myself. Okay, so then scholars or muhaddisin are saying that it is possible that saying this that I have made hadith may be lying words. Okay, maybe he may be liar even into this sentence. Okay, فإنه يعرف صدقه بغالب ظنه. So his certification, his truth may be known because of ظن الغالب. ولولا ذلك لما ساغ قتل المقر بالقتل. If it was not like this, then there will be not allowed to kill a person who confess that I have killed someone. ولا رجم المعترف بالزنا, and it will be not allowed to kill a person by stone who confess that he has made zina. Okay, Fafam, then you should know it.